Hi everyone, good evening. So, I'm going to be in conversation with Miss Neha Banerjee, who is a Kathak artist and the founder of Kathak Darpan Trust, which is an institution based in Chennai, which found its genesis in Chennai. And we've been actually having conversations with Nehaji leading up to the third edition of a festival that she really has been curating for the last two editions. It's foraying into its third edition. And really, it's a festival that she has sort of curated in memory of her guru, Pandit Birju Maharaj Ji. And we're going to be talking to her about the Smriti festival and really her relationship with this city and why she continues to curate this festival in this city. Sent you an invitation, so please do accept it. Hello.
Hello, namaste.
Namaste. How are you?
I'm very well, Akhila ji. Thank you for this, inviting
Of
me
course.
to this.
Of course. You're looking great and very
Thank you.
relaxed considering that you have a festival literally 4 days away. That's fantastic.
You have handled it so beautifully for me, and Satish is
Okay.
also working so hard. So
That's
I have
great.
to just focus on the rehearsal and dance part, and
That's
I'm
great.
quite relaxed.
That's great. So, Nehaji, without much ado, I'm going to dive straight in. And I'm really going to ask you about your relationship with this city. You know, this is a city where, of course, it's very welcoming of other dance forms, but it's a city that primarily practices and performs Bharatanatyam. So, tell us about your relationship with the city. And I also learned when I met you that you actually started Kathak Darpan when you used to live in Chennai. So tell us about why Chennai is special to you.
So my story goes actually like this. I'll just want to share this story. 7 years back, my husband suddenly get this job offer in Chennai, and I was like very upset, and because I had my Kathak Institute already in Mumbai, and
Right.
it was doing very well. I was always already an established artist over there. People knew me quite well, and I
Right.
was very upset because I didn't want to, take up a decision of staying up away from my family and all of
Right.
that. So
Right.
I took a decision to move here.
Right.
And that time, one day, I like bursted out in front of Maharaji. Ki Maharaji, you know how our dancers' journey is not always a very smooth journey. It's
Of
always
course.
full of ups and downs. It's like a roller coaster ride completely.
Right.
So I was very devastated, and I said, Maharaji, what am I going to do if I go to Chennai? And who will learn Kathak over there? I don't know hardly anything there of Kathak. And I asked him, Maharaji, how much have you performed in Chennai? So Maharaji said, I've performed, but you know what? I really wanted to teach there. I
Mm.
wanted to take a workshop for a very long time, and like last 25 years, I've been trying for this workshop. I'm not able to do it. I
Mm.
think you have got this opportunity. जाओ देखो एक से चार बनाओ वहां जाके. So I said okay. I took it like a
Challenge
command
almost.
from him.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah.
and it's my Guruji's wish. Akila ji, I'm sitting in my institute, and I will really, I'll say, I really took it as a
Mm.
command from him, and
Yeah.
I
Yeah.
started working on it. And in 2018, I first time organized this Kathak workshop in Kalakshetra, where it was fully crowded. 700 number of students participating
Wow.
from all over Tamil Nadu, Bangalore, Hyderabad. Kalakshetra was full of students, all Bharatnatyam students dancing Kathak there. And
Fantastic.
Maharaji had come himself, and he was so happy. I did a full 5 days of event, 5 days of workshop with him.
Right.
And morning till evening, we used to do workshop, and only one day of dance festival, which was called as Mehfile Kathak. And I invited all the Kathak dancers possible from all over India.
Right.
So it was a fabulous, superb show. And 2019 onwards, Maharaji's health started deteriorating, and we never expected him to leave us so soon. But 22, after COVID, he left us, and then I never thought that I will name this thing as a Smriti festival. So in 2023, I did it in Music Academy, which
Okay.
was again a very good show. But I didn't know that time. Now, when you ask me how is your relationship with the city, I started my classes in 2022. 2020 during the COVID period. It was going very well, but I still didn't know the mood of the audience. So my artists went, crazily big, and it was again a 3 days event, and I messed up with the number of artists. I got beautiful lineup again, but it was too lengthy for the Chennai audience, and gradually I realized, and people also accepted me. And now, after moving back to Mumbai, I can't leave Chennai. I've made here, I've taught 100 students over the period of 5 years here, and uh, I've done pretty well, and
That's great.
got
Yeah.
a got a very good response. And now this city is a very important part of my life, and I
That's
really love
fantastic.
people. I always go back to Delhi and Bombay, and I always tell them that what we
Yeah, Neha, you have to change your Wi-Fi settings. Can you just move to
okay.
Wi-Fi? Your connection is very
Yes.
weak. Yeah. I'm sorry, just give me a moment.
Yeah. Is it better now?
It's better now. Yes. Yeah.
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 So
Sorry, you were saying.
yeah. So
Okay.
my relationship has been very good with the city. It is a very, very important part of my life, and I really want to work more and more here.
That's fantastic. I just want to understand, Nehaji, when you say that your relationship has been so special, I just want to understand, just for us to feel good about the city that we live in, what is it about Chennai? People often talk about Chennai really, in some sense, being like the hub for the Indian classical dance, especially Bharatanatyam, of course. But I want to ask you a bit about what is it that you have seen amongst the students that is so special about Chennai?
Students are very down to earth, and they are still untouched from the Bollywood.
I'm sorry, we're having some trouble with this, so I'm going to invite Neha again.
Okay, I'm so sorry about this. Is it
No
better now?
problem. It's okay now. Yeah.
Yeah. So they're still untouched from the Bollywood influence, and they're quite disciplined. This is one thing which I talk about in my city when I go back, that the discipline over here is something to learn from.
Okay.
And the students are quite, they miss that flamboyancy still. So I come
Yeah.
from Bombay, and the students and the kids there these days are quite flamboyant, and they all want to go to Bollywood. Everybody is focused towards Bollywood. So
Right.
this charm of the classical Indian dancing is somewhere, it's not reducing. You'll always find more number of students over there who
Right.
want to come.
Learn.
But the
Right.
focus, yeah, but the
Is
focus
always.
is always towards going
Yeah.
towards Bollywood, and to do
Right.
something more glamorous than here.
Right. That's great. Neha ji, I want to ask you a little bit about the Smriti Festival itself. you are also a dancer, but you're also the festival's curator, right?
Hmm.
And the curation itself is a very, it's a very tricky area. I just want to ask you, in terms of the curation every year, what is the vision with which you curate it year on year? What is it that you want for participants to observe and absorb by virtue of this festival?
So yes, I am inviting more. When I started this festival, the idea was obviously it was first year. It was only in the memory of Maharaji, but I also it was followed with lot of things. We had a workshop by Sashwati Senji, Maharaji's senior most disciple, and also I learned from her. So. There was a workshop. The students participated in that workshop. We had book launches. We had discussion over different Natya Shastra aspects also. So I realized it is a very good medium for the education, and the Kathak students here, they will never, until and unless they really want to take that extra mile and want to go to Delhi and learn over there, that's not it's not possible for them to see different variety of Kathak.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
So I my idea was to educate them in Kathak properly. That these are so many styles of Kathak, so many gharanas in Kathak, and every gharana is so special in itself and so different when we dance. So it started for me to become a more educational project for my student and for other dance
The-
enthusiasts over here. So
Right.
last year we had Kathakali performance. For my student, it was a very good
I opener.
yeah.
Yeah.
So they learned so many things. How do they get dressed? How many hours do they take to get dressed? Then Manipuri dance. It was amazing. The dance performance was so amazing by Basu Sinamji, and their attire. How do they get dressed? And for Ras, they are supposed to get dressed differently. For the normal repertoire, how do they dress up? So it is so much educational, and this has become very important for me now. So year on year, I'm planning to bring so many art forms. I wanted to bring Chau this time again, but
Yeah.
already I had a huge, different
This,
and
yeah.
so I couldn't. So finances became a little restraint part
Definitely.
towards it. But next year, I
Right.
definitely want to do Chau and Satriya and all these different kinds of dance forms.
That's fantastic. Nehaji, do you want to tell me a little bit about when you were growing up as a student of dance?
Hmm.
Did you attend a lot of these festivals, and did they, in some sense, inspire you to really curate festivals like these? And why do you believe, for a dancer, for a young dancer especially, why do you believe coming and watching these legendary artists really can really help them? Help them think about their own dance, and why is it important?
It is the most important thing to watch and to observe. It is the most important thing. My Guruji Maharaji always used to say this: "Dekhya, parkhiya, and sikhiya." So
Oh,
thing is to observe, then is to analyze, and
and
then you take things from it, and then you learn. So this is the most important thing, and that one thing the new generation is lacking is the capability to sit and observe quietly. So this
right.
is we used to watch so we are such a fortunate generation. I grew up learning in Kathak Kendra first, and I went to Maharaji, and there we got to witness so many great dancers of all kinds, like Kathak dancers, Bharatanatyam, Kuchipudi, Mohiniyattam, Odissi. We have seen everyone performing, and we have seen what it takes to grow as an artist.
Mm.
So for my generation also, I'm speaking, we are also a younger generation when it comes to this. So we lose hope very quickly. We want everything very fast. So we get devastated very quickly.
That's
In
true.
every small thing, it's not happening, it's not happening. But the way they have grown, the life was even tougher for them. There was no, we have YouTubes to see, we have so many, exposure, other exposures to go and see. Then for us, it was limited. For them, it was even less. And then they
Right.
had to fight the barriers of society also. So
Right.
when you see them, you see that kind of fire in them.
Right.
ना वो बोलते हैं ना जैसे लोहा तप के निकलता है तो वो उनमें दिखता है जब वो नाचते हैं तो
Right.
हमारे जनरेशन में वो थोड़ा कम दिखता है और मुझे लगता है अभी आने वाली जनरेशन में
Or
अगेन
become.
और भी
Yeah.
कम दिखता है तो वो चीज तो बहुत जरूरी है कि जितना देखोगे उतना सीखोगे द लाइनिंग्स द द प्रिसिशन everything will come only if you'll watch
Observing.
observe.
That's great. That's great. And you've actually, this year, I've had the privilege of working closely with you, and you seem to have curated a festival with some fantastic names. There's Padma Vibhushan Dr. Sonal Mansingh. There is your Guru, Vidushi Shashwati Sen ji. There is Srimati Shobhana Narayan. There's Tawfiq Qureshi ji. There's, of course, our own Chennai based Gopika Verma ji. So there's some fantastic names. And of course, dear friends from the Kuchipudi Art Academy are doing a group production. Tell me a little bit, Nehaji, about So there is Kathak, there is Mohiniyattam, there is Kuchipudi. So I just want to ask you a little bit about, by virtue of inviting these dancers. Do you also know them personally? Like, have you known them? Like, have you followed their art closely in a way that you wanted to bring them to Chennai?
Yes, I know all of them very personally and very closely. So, Shobna ji, of course, she is Maharaji's first batch. So,
Of
she
course,
is the
yeah.
senior most for us when it comes
Right.
to Kathak. We've grown watching her so
Watching. Yeah.
closely.
Yeah.
And she is such an inspiration. And we say nowadays that, we are working also, we're dancing also. But she was an IS officer. So,
Back in the
yet,
day.
yeah, and yet she's a Padma Shri Kathak dancer. So, you can do both things together. It is quite possible. And
Right.
Tawfiq ji, I'm working with him for the first time, but with Zakir ji, yes, because he used to come very often, quite often, and we've seen him in his younger days. We've seen him performing with Maharaji. We still remember how he used to, when he used to come to Bombay or when in Delhi, they used to have this. Um, the show when Maharaji is dancing and Zakir ji is performing spectacular shows, amazing shows, and it used to be such a learning experience because Tal or Lay, like दोनों एकदम doyens of tal and lay and
Right.
both of them together on the stage. So yeah, we have known them very closely, learned from them. Sonal ji also, she had been to my shows earlier also and appreciated me and my art and dedication, and so that's how, yeah, everyone I know them quite closely.
Yeah. Nehaji, tell us a little bit about the awards that are going to be conferred. You've also been conferring these awards year on year,
Yeah.
right? And this year, the Dhananjayans, Shri Dhanajayan and Shanta Dhanajayan
Yeah.
are being conferred an award. And of course, there's an award being conferred upon Zakir Bhai, like posthumously. So tell us a little bit about these awards that you're conferring upon these legendary artists.
So it is very important. Maharaji always used to say, it's very important. The place where you live in, you have to always recognize the artists, the local artists over there. And you are in Chennai. So there are some uh, great and legendary artists over here. So you have to include everyone with you. Then only you can grow as a person. Then only you can, learn. So there is so much to learn when it comes to Bhav Paksh in Bharatnatyam. So I used to observe them a lot, and then I thought, why not, just honor these artists, these older generation with some kind of award and in the name of Maharaji, so that they also remember Maharaji, that they have received something in the name of Maharaji. I thought it is the best way to celebrate the name of my Guruji. And
Right.
that is why I came up with this idea of awards. Last year, we gave this award to Padma Subramaniam ji and Vaijayanti Mala Bali ji, and they were so gracious to receive this award. And it was an amazing experience this year. Also, the Dhananjayans they are such a cute couple. They
Yeah,
are
they're
so
fantastic. Yeah.
fantastic, and they are so excited for the award. And everybody was so receptive of me when I went to them and I told them that I'm doing something of this kind. And it was very nice and kind of them to accept this award. And Zakir ji, if I tell you, I was actually, he was in the list of the lineup this year, and we
Oh,
didn't know that
unfortunately.
we'll
Yeah.
lose him so soon. So none of
Right.
us predicted this. Therefore,
Right.
this
Right.
tribute was mandatory for him. And then I
Right.
thought that upcoming generation also should get some motivation
Yeah.
uh, to
Of course.
come and be the part of the celebration of my Guruji's name. Therefore, I started with Maharaji's very, very young disciple, maybe the last disciple, maybe no, he is the last disciple of Maharaji, who has stayed in the Guru Shishya Parampara, lived there and did Maharajji's seva till the last breath of Maharajji. He was there for Maharajji and with Maharajji. I remember him not even blinking his eyes for 10 to 15 days, where doctors had to give him injection to sleep when he was doing Maharajji's
Wow.
seva. So, and has learned also brilliantly under Maharajji's guidance. So, I thought that it is very important for me to appreciate
Honor.
and recognize and honor his art. And
That's
then
fantastic.
from here onwards, I will invite all the youngsters to take it as the opportunity and uh, try to be the next for my Yuva Puraskar.
Right, fantastic. Just one last question, Nehaji, before we let you go, is really is there also going to be a performance by your dance school and you?
Yes, definitely. My dance school is opening it with their Tarana, which is again
Okay.
Maharaji's Tarana in Teen Tal.
Okay. Okay.
And after that, we have award ceremony, and then Taufik ji will be performing his solo. And then a
Okay.
little bit of Jugalbandi with Taufik ji's Zembe and Kathak, which is going to be an experimental project because neither he has ever played with Kathak,
Oh,
nor I have ever danced with Zembe. So it is an experimental thing. It's going to be a very small experiment for me, and if it goes well, then I think I will take it forward. So yes, me
that's
and my
great.
group is also going to perform.
That's great. So there's also a great amount of scope for exploration and imagination, and
Yes,
of course, without not recognizing legends and their contribution to the arts field, and of course, by honoring a young artist, you're also sort of really paving the way for other younger artists to be recognized. So that's great. Which is why this conversation I called it the legacy in continuum. So kudos to you for it's not easy to come to a new city that is not your own and to really carve out a festival like this. So, firstly, hearty congratulations for doing it
thank
and
you so
bravo,
much.
really. And I
Thank
really
you.
do hope that this city that I call home comes forward and supports you and supports the arts. And
Thank you
I
so
hope the
much.
festival goes really well.
Thank you so much. This means a lot to me, Akilaji. Your support really means a lot to me. And I'm really looking forward to a great success for this festival. And this is just the start. This is just the beginning. We are going to go bigger and bigger every year because it
That's
is
great.
for him.
That's great. Thank you so much and good
Thank
night. And thank you to everybody who listened in. Yeah.
thank you so much to my audience and good night again. Bye
Good
bye.
night. Yeah.